I recently had both knees replaced. I'm so glad that I did it, and I'm glad that I chose the Conformis. The Conformis knee, it feels just like it did before I had knee problems. I was very active. I took ballet, modern jazz, hiked. I mowed an acre of ground at our home. Plus I held down a full-time job and had 2 kids. I went to the gym one day and just really hurt one of my knees pretty badly. 10 years later, I could barely walk. I started gaining weight. By the time I got my surgery, I was so out of shape and had gained so much weight because I couldn't do anything. On the inside, you just feel so alone and you really hurt. I read up on the Conformis and I thought, custom? Well, that certainly makes a lot of sense to me. I felt much more confident. You go and you have a CT so that they can measure your knee, all the different dimensions, and it's mine. We are all different shapes and sizes. My knee doesn't look anything like somebody else's knee. It was just the fact that it was a custom fit. That's what I zeroed in on. I feel comfortable with it, and I feel comfortable raving about it to other people. So you can kind of get an idea of, see, look at that. One of the owners at the bike store overheard me saying that I had just had my knees replaced and I'd used the custom. That's very unique for people. He was quite interested in that. I guess he too will have to have his knee done. Those of us who have bad joints, what we live with, what we put up with, what we have to do without, there's hope at the other end of that, that you can become yourself again, that you can become active and engaged and happy again. I want people to know that I had the implant that was custom made just for me. I push it on to whoever will listen to me because I think that I think we got a winner here.